Oh, we got some views.
Shut up.
Did you just tell me to shut up?
A little.
Shut your little mouth. Shut your little cock holster up. Smile like a donut.
Ozen. Nice pants. Nice pants. Nice pants. Ozen. Nice pants.
Sure, Hollow Skyway. We have arrived. 5,000 foot elevation, 20 mile per hour turns, next 18 miles.
Much wow. Such. Oh yeah. Such viewing.
That's a view. That is a cool bridge. Oh wow!
Jesus.
Them views though.
Outfitter parking only. What the fuck does that mean?
It said something about tractor trailer pickup right there.
That means I do what I want.
Oh.
Wow, okay.
Oh, that was a tip point for a heavier bike. That was a, like, don't try to catch it, just bail out. Like, if I would have leaned mine that far, I would have just let it drop.
Yeah, that thing's like 200 pounds.
That's how you get a herniated nutsack. I don't want my intestines in my nuts.
Oh, shit, I don't want 4. What the hell?
Well, I don't want them after your dick beater's been all over them.
That was mean. Look at that little smart car cruising.
Yeah, he's fucking getting it. Fucking carrying the mail. That's what I'm going to do for the dragon pictures. I'm going to dress up like a mailman and have like a mail bag. Because that's a saying I just learned down here. They're like, oh man, you're really carrying the mail today. I was like, what the fuck does that mean?
Yeah, I got all black on, so let's make haste.
Oh, now you're ready because...
Now we have to go because he's ready.
I got it. Well, go, man. What are you waiting for? Your tire must be pretty sticky.
Jesus Christ, I feel like a jet's coming.
On your left.
I know, I can hear you. Try it, John. I can tell you're getting annoyed.
I'm not getting annoyed.
Talking. Mm-hmm.
I'm enjoying the ride, yo.
Yeah, you both worry about each other too much. You guys got to start worrying about yourselves.
Ain't you guys nothing.
I'm worried about nobody but myself.
So that's the real reason you don't get married.
I am. I know. It's true. I'm way too selfish for all that. I'll buy some girls some shit, but it's my time that is the thing. You know, like I'll buy you
gifts, but get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, get the fuck out of here. I'll buy some shit, but I want to be able to go out and ride. Here, I'll buy you some flowers. I'm going to go out and ride all day. And I want some BJ's and sandwiches when I get back.
See, you do that, John. You go out and ride all day.
I already told him. He's got a good one.
And I even sometimes go all day with you.
Nope, he said you're cool.
So that's what you need, Dave.
I know, but you guys are a rare breed.
Yeah, but you can't get one that's better than you.
Nah, it's just got to be dumb as fuck.
Good luck, dude.
I want to be quiet and dumb and, like, low ambition. She can't be smarter or fucking more driven or motivated than me.
Then you're going to have to find someone in special ed, dude, because a woman is an intelligent creature.
I like my roads like I like my women.
Curvy?
Black and yellow. No, curvy was what I was thinking, but you ruined it. I had to, like, shoot from the hip.
Fuck this truck. Look at him. Jesus. Do you see that, Dave? Look at this truck.
Oh,
he hit that ditch hard.
Damn.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
He hit that shit hard. He's probably so pissed right now.
I did thumbs up, thumbs down. She gave me a thumbs up, so...
She probably gave me a thumbs up, like, what the fuck are you going to do anyway?
I know.
Like, keep on moving.
You going to lift him up, John?
She's like, we're good.
Well, you never know if they have a cell phone or not.
Yeah, true.
Whoa, church zone.
Wow, look at that. Did you see that?
Church?
Did you see that fifth wheel they built into a house, like, built the walls out?
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty gangster.
Ooh, look at the tulip.
Little lovebirds. Look at these little lovebird riders.
This could be you, Dave.
This is my baby right here.
The only girl you need.
Ride her as hard as I want. She never tells me no. Doesn't give a fuck what I do. I'm not riding her.
Never will break your heart.
No one else is going to ride her. I'll have to let him.
Some cuckold shit.
Like, she ain't gonna sneak out of the shed on me and go to my buddy's house like, hey, I got the key in my ignition right now, homie.
I don't have a camera, but Dave and I can high five.
Touch my camera. Touch it.
Where are you?
You can go as hard as you want. I'll stay behind you.
As hard as I want is you just putting along.
I didn't say it like that.
Jesus Christ, John.
I told you.
I wouldn't work on BP right now, bro.
Oh, no, I'm not going to work on BP, no.
Yeah, okay.
Lines, if anything. But...
Yeah.
I feel like this is so much worse than on my own bike.
Nice, John.
Oh, thanks.
That was a good line.
A little slow, but...
You got precious cargo.
Through this fast. Oh, no.
Jump rope, please. Aw.
I shoved that jacket. There was no getting out of that. I mean...
That was the only way.
Fucking stray jacket.
Dave's probably like them. I can't wait till these guys go back up north. Sick of this moto vlogging shit. Gotta clap like a seal every time we stop.